Hi friends, this is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel. Valentine's Day is around the corner and I'm sure all of you are looking out for options to dine in with your date or with your family, and I have a suggestion for you. I'm here at the Jugalbandi today, which is at Khadar Nawaz Khan Road. I'm here with my family to try out this place. Actually, a friend of mine had come here and she was raving about this place, not just for the food but for their amazing hospitality and luxurious interiors. So I thought, why not give it a try? So I'm here with my family to have my lunch here, and I will get back to you with my honest review. Stay tuned. This place is definitely not going to fail to impress you with its luxurious interiors. And this beautiful chandelier is definitely an eye catcher. This is their menu, and I believe they're going to revamp it a little. It looks amazing. I love their name, Jugalbandi. It's a very user-friendly menu as it not just tells you which are the chef's special dishes, but with the reference icon, it will also guide you if it can be a Jain variant. So these are the soups we've ordered. This is veg manchow soup and tomato soup. I tried both the soups, the veg manchow and the tomato, and I honestly like the tomato soup more. So I've got my starters. I'll give you a quick look. So these are Mexican samosas with some mayo, and these are crispy lotus stem. And I also ordered achari paneer tikka. Look at this platter, it's so beautiful. Oh, I just love the platter, and look at the paneer tikka. I think I'm admiring the platter more than the paneer tikka. So I'm going to have the Mexican samosa with the chutney. I'm very desi when it comes to this, and I love chutney to the extent that I can have it with anything. So it's quite crispy from out. It's cheesy. They've added ajwain, that is carom seeds, in the flour of samosa, like how a traditional samosa is made, and with paneer and cheese filling. Yummy. Paneer and cheese, no? So next I'm going to have the lotus stem, the crispy lotus stem, again with the chutney. It has a lot of sesame seeds and spring onions, capsicum, chilies. Very nice. It's more like Manchurian, right? So it's more like Manchurian. I thought kids won't like it because it's lotus stem, but they are loving it because it tastes like more like Manchurian. So now I'm going to try the paneer tikka. With the chutney, of course. Oh, it's nice, but I expected it to be more with that achari flavor because I thought it's achari paneer tikka, so it will have a lot of khatta meeta achar flavor. It's nice, na? But वो achari flavor नहीं है.
हल्का हल्का है.
Mama's boy is lazing around at this cozy corner.
Started. Oh, it started.
My fork, please. You started?
Yeah.
So the best thing that I like about this is it has a lot of veggies. It has baby corn, broccoli, olives. Usually in some restaurants they just wrap up the boiled pasta with the arrabbiata sauce, but they've added a lot of veggies. Of course the pasta is not al dente like how I like.
Oh God.
Too good. It's not al dente, but it's yummy. It's yummy. So that's my main course. This, I'll start from here. This is masala. Oh, sorry. This is butter kulcha, butter masala kulcha. This is cheese garlic naan. That's malai kofta. They have both red and white gravy. I've ordered red. That's paneer lababdar, which is again their signature dish. Dal tadka. Look at the tadka, it's so tempting. And that's fulka. And yes, that's the salad. Those are our mocktails. It is Kit Kat shake, fresh lime soda, and mango rapture. I'm going to add some onions, some green chutney. As I said, I love chutney to the extent that I can have it with anything.
It's not bitter, bolna.
The dal with lots of garlic. That's how we like our dal to be. With a double tadka, double garlic tadka. It's yummy. I like this mango rapture as well. It has mango flavors, vanilla and milk, and I think, they didn't mention it, but I think there's little ice cream in it to give it that creamy texture, which is not possible with just milk. So I assume there is a little ice cream in it as well. The food is delicious, guys. And now I don't want to talk about anything. I just want to enjoy this delicious meal with my family and see you soon after the meal. Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention that they've served us this. We didn't order this, they served us because this is their signature dish. And I can see a lot of veggies and rice, but they also say there's noodles inside. And I'll tell you how it looks and how does it taste. See you. So this is their rice, the rice that they've served us. It's rice with noodles and a lot of veggies. So there's broccoli, there's bok chow, there's spinach, there is zucchini, capsicum, spring onions, there are a lot more in this. Wow. I remember to have tasted something like this in Residency Hotel. There's a place called Chin Chin, which is a Chinese restaurant. So there they serve a blend of fried rice and noodles with a lot of veggies. So it's more or less like that, and it's yummy. It's really nice. I love anything that has lots of veggies. And this sizzling brownie is our dessert. We didn't order anything else because we are so full. I'm done with my lunch here at Jugalbandi, and I enjoyed every moment I spent here. I'm sure you could make out that I had a great time here. And usually after every food review I pick out my favorites, my personal favorite of from the meal that I had. And here, trust me, it's so tough for me to pick out my personal favorite because I liked every dish that was served. I enjoyed every morsel I tried here, and I would really recommend this place. As I said, Valentine Day is coming and you should reserve your tables beforehand this time, because it's not just Valentine Day and it's also on a Sunday, so I'm sure the places are going to be crowded. And do drop in here, especially if you like vegetarian restaurants. I'm sure you're going to love this place. Amazing ambience, beautiful decor, in the interiors are beautifully done, very, I mean, everything is top notch here. Trust me, the music, the ambience, the decor, the food, you're going to love this place. And you may impress your girlfriend or a boyfriend if you're on a date on Valentine's Day. So do book in your tables. And if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel and support me. And follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates. Thank you. A special mention about Mr. Mohan, who was at our service throughout the experience.